How to connect and reset. How to pair with app and Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Step 2. Download and install the CB-Activ application. Step 3. Open the app and follow the instructions. Step 4. Log in to CB-Activ. Step 5. You will see available watches list. Step 6. Click on Ignite S3 and you will receive a pop-up on your watch. Click the green tick. Step 7. You will simultaneously receive another pop-up on the app screen. Follow instructions and complete pairing. Note, you will receive a pop-up to pair with BT 3.0, which will enable voice calls. Please click Pair and Connect. How to reset the smartwatch. Step 1. Swipe from top to bottom once on the home screen. Step 2. Tap on the Settings option. Step 3. Scroll down and tap the Factory Mode option. Step 4. Click on the X to cancel. Click on Tick to confirm.